Kasi pagka daytime, isipin mo, napakadaming hihingian mo ng consent pagka daytime, di ba? Isa to sa pinaka-benefit ng nag-workout ng ganitong oras at makapag-access ng gym na open 24 hours.
Like that for you. Hey. Got a super bad bitch, feel like Jonah Hill. Look at how she walk, and you know it's real. No question, if she like attention, I gotta give it to her, yeah, you know the deal. I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good, you top 10, amazing. Spark a new flame, I like that for you. Yeah. Tell me what you want, I like that too, baby. Treat my hoes like the plugins on this damn song. I cracked them all.
Ganda ng lift natin kasi controlled lang. Controlled yung motion, siguradong pasok. Importante sa akin yung quality ng buhat. Useless yung quantity kung hindi naman tama yung quality ng buhat.
And I can't stop thinking about your curves. Teach you about the bees and the birds. Then I eat the cake like dessert. She gon' bust it open real quick for real. I'ma drop it in like Vert. Got a super bad bitch, feel like Jonah Hill. Look at how she walk, and you know it's real. No question, if she like attention, I gotta give it to her, yeah, you know the deal. I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good, you top 10, amazing. Spark a new flame, I like that for you. Tell me what you want, I like that too, baby. Yeah, I like that, I do. Grabbing on your left cheek with my right hand, tight pants, got me feeling the type of way. If you want it, I could give it to you all day. Name a time and a place, but I'll pull up, yeah. Dinner for the day, we could cook up, yeah. Take you down in the kitchen right after you hit the road. I swear I'm still thinking about your curves. Teach you about the bees and the birds. Then I eat the cake like dessert. She gon' bust it open real quick for real, yeah. I'ma drop it in like Vert. Got a super bad bitch, feel like Jonah Hill. Look at how she walk, and you know it's real. No question, if she like attention.
Isa to sa pinaka-paborito kong workout ng chest. Kasi gusto ko yung pakiramdam nito mula sa feeling, mula sa execution, and yung ano itsura ko sa salamin. Gusto ko tong workout na to. Hindi ko alam kasi parang sobrang kitang-kita mo yung mga flex mo pag nakaganyan kay. So, isa to sa pinaka-paborito ko. So, kung titignan nyo yung oras is, boom, 1:35 na. 1:35 na ng umaga. So, ang pinaka-the best na benefit nito is yung, ganito, wala kang kasama. Di ba? Isa yun sa benefit na nag-workout ka ng ganito. Medyo puyat, pero para sa akin kasi is nakukompensate ko kasi yung tulog ko. Yung sleeping hours ko is tama pa rin. Kumbaga, hindi puyat. Ano lang, adjusted lang yung body clock ko kasi nga yung oras ng trabaho ko is panghapon ako. Kumbaga correct pa rin. And pwede naman ako mag-workout sa umaga. Pero pag umaga ako mag-workout dahil sobrang dami ng tao dito, dahil nasubukan ko na, hindi ka halos talaga makapag-video. Kanina, may isa lang tayong kasama dito sa side na to ng buong gym. Pero sa tingin ko nasa kabilang side na sila. Hiningi lang natin yung permission kung pwede tayo makapag-video. And wala namang problema. Tinanong pa nga niya ako kung gusto ko daw ba umalis siya sa frame. Sabi ko hindi, okay lang. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na nagbi-video ako para kumbaga yung consent lang ba. Kasi pagka daytime, isipin mo, napakadaming hihingian mo ng consent pagka daytime, di ba? So, isa to sa pinaka-benefit ng nag-workout ng ganitong oras at makapag-access ng gym na open 24 hours na makakapag-video ka. Pag ganito guys na nag-workout ako tapos ganitong oras na 2:00 na ng madaling araw, tapos eto na nga, ganyan na yung sitwasyon, wala na akong kasama, feeling ko akin tong gym Kasi wala akong kasama. Kung ano mang workout, kung ano equipment yung gusto kong makuha, is nakukuha ko talaga. Kaya feeling ko parang sa akin talaga tong gym eh. So ang kasama ko na lang dito currently is yung receptionist / cleaner. So yeah, tuwing gabi naglilinis sila dito sa gym. So yun na lang yung kasama ko talaga dito. Nasa kalagitnaan na tayo ng workout natin, tapos na tayo mag shoulder press. Next na workout natin is front raises na tayo. Check.
Yeah, let's go. There's not a man that I fear. There's nobody here that can stop me. Cause I'm in a league of my own, yeah. Y'all can just sit back and watch me. They know who I am, they can't imitate. Don't stay in your lane, I'ma set it straight. I'm putting my way to the top. You get in my way, you know that I'ma renovate. You know I'm about to lock it. All the monster they was looking for just like the Loch Ness. If they gon' let me, got the phone, they better stop it. They can never reach me where I'm at, I'm in a rocket. Carpet. In other words, you can't touch me. It's like I got the ball and it's rugby. And you won't see me when I'm coming through. You can't stop me, I'm running through. I'm untouchable, yeah. I'm untouchable, yeah. I'm untouchable, yeah. I'm untouchable, yeah.
Sobrang sarap ng sakit ng side lateral raise. Gusto ko tong workout na to. Or yung exercise na to. Gusto ko siya.
Fees fight both from. I'm the giant that they running from. Taking shots, I think they jumped the gun. If they go against me, then they done. You cannot handle this. I don't think you can pay for the damages. I don't want it's gonna be a first place. You gon' need first aid. Think you need bandages. You know I'm about to lock it. All the monster they was looking for just like the Loch Ness.
So, yun guys. Last set na tayo na tricep push down, cable tricep push down. So yeah, thank you kung umabot ka sa part ng video na to na patapos na tayo. Sana maging mas confident pa ako sa pag-vlog. So yo guys, what's up? Next day na to. Kung papansinin nyo sa mga old videos natin is nagbo-boxing tayo, di ba? Pero tumigil tayo dahil sa mga health issues regarding my joints. Basically, sa paa ko and sa shoulder ko. Diba, nabanggit ko ata kagabi sa inyo yung about dito sa shoulder ko. So, ayun, nagka-problema. So, napatigil ako for the last 3 months sa pagbo-boxing. So, ayun, nag-reach out nga ako sa gym namin and I pay my dues again. So, this Friday, start na ako bumalik sa boxing. Sobrang na-miss ko mag-boxing. Makakabalik na tayo. And ang kagandahan nun is in good shape tayo. Kasi yung transformation natin for the last 3 months is sobrang laki kasi mas naging lock in and discipline ako sa workout and diet talaga. So doon tayo nagpalakas ng muscles, nagpalakas ng joints kasi pag malakas ang muscles mo, lalakas din ang joints mo and at the same time yung mga bones mo, 'di ba? So yun, asahan nyo na sa mga susunod na videos natin is nagbo-boxing na naman tayo. Makakapag-training na ulit tayo ng boxing. So basically, kahit sa Instagram ko, yung pinakamalaking views ko is nanggagaling pa rin sa boxing videos ko. So, at least, kahit pa paano, makakabalik na tayo sa pagiging hybrid athlete. Chee!